So you want to build a light show? This is the second part of my end of year cleanup. So let me walk you through what I'm doing. So yesterday, Johnny and I went through the yard and we pulled out all the controllers, and these are the portions that the actual lights connect to. So as you can see in my show, I've got quite a few of them, and I need to basically check in on them before we pack them up for the season. So I take off all the lids and I look for any ceiling gasket repairs that need to be done. And then we're going to take all the gaskets, plugs, protectants, and clean them off before we stow them away. As I'm testing every single one, I'm also pulling these out to check all the settings and make sure I don't have any loose connections. And then as you can see on this one, each controller has its own test mode. So I take a good strand of working lights and I plug them in and I leave them running just to see if anything happens for a few minutes. And I don't think I'll have a lot of issues, but as you can see, I'm looking through all of them, including all the pixel strings, and putting them in various categories. So this one, the power supply actually went out on it, so it needs to be replaced. And here's a light string that needs to be repaired. It got torn from the storm. And then also other ones that need to be weatherproofed or just resealed for whatever reason. And then tonight on my live, I'll be going through some of these pixel strings. And as you can see, we got a ways to go, and this isn't even all of it. There's still some on the house. Once everything is clean, I'll just reorganize it all. This year I've got some new organizers and put it all away.